Hi guys, today I've got a 2002 Leapfrog phonics here. I mean, this is the oldest version that was ever created of this toy. And I just wanted to review it and show it to you. So, like you have an on and off switch with most toys, a low volume and a high volume. And we've got all the letters of the alphabet. So let's just put in one of those.
L says O. L says O. Every letter makes a sound. L says O.
And it also has, all the letters like all the models do. It even has numbers.
3. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. 3. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 3.
This is the only one that has numbers because it came with the numbers 1 through 10, but I got mine used on eBay or Amazon, along with the woodwind or phonics set. I just changed the batteries, so that's why in my comparison video it sounds distorted. But the lower the batteries are, the more distorted it gets. And it's shaped in a pond. It has the grass. It's got everything. It teaches kids the alphabet. It's got its own little song. Each letter sticks on the fridge.
K.
It's really cool.
K says. Every letter makes a sound. K says.
And that's basically about it. So I'll see you in my next video, which will be the 2007 Phonics. And bye.